Let's take a look at this app. It's called ROMI. Make friends, have fun. It's a new friend making app. So as you can see, built by ChatBridge. Explore a world of emojis that come alive with AR. Meet fun new people through creative profiles. Scroll real moments. Tap into the vibe. Turn your profile into your vibe canvas. Romi is a playful social experience that brings your emotions to life and helps you connect through creativity, expression, and fun conversations. Use your hands and voice to create live emoji effect, capture playful moments, swipe to meet new people, and spark real connections through chat, shared vibes. Gesture-powered effects, swipe to connect, say emoji names, save and replay. So here you can just open it up. Then you can just see like next photo, previous photo, and then like or swipe away. It's a bit glitchy. Then you can see who liked you, who visited your profile, and you can see messages. I don't know whether this app is a completely legit, but here you have it. So you have your settings. You can delete your account. You can see. So yeah, you can also add some camera and post some content. Also buy some. You have get some coins in here. Your feeds where you're just posting some content. Swiping. Kind of that's the idea how you just can add and post content. And that's it. So again, I don't know whether this app is completely legit or it just has a lot of AI bots. You can just go and find great app, good site. I'm liking the app. 5-star for free. Needs work. Frustrating. This is a penny. They use bots and take images offline, including mine for their own benefit. Seems like I'm talking to AI scam. I think it's fake. So there are a lot of reviews that actually say it's fake. I think, yeah, it's kind of true. The app feels a bit scammy, to be honest. So yeah, that's what it is.